Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the lasso tools to cut out images in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to remove a subject from a photo, create thumbnails, or design graphics with transparent backgrounds, the lasso tools are one of the fastest ways to do it. I'll walk you through the different lasso options and show you exactly how to cut out your object in just a few steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Go to the top menu, click File, then click Open and choose the photo you want to work with. Once your image loads into the workspace, head over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Next, select the lasso tool. You can simply press the L key on your keyboard or click and hold the lasso icon to reveal the three options. The regular lasso tool lets you draw a freehand selection around your subject. The Polygonal Lasso tool is perfect for objects with straight edges because it creates point-to-point selections. And the Magnetic Lasso tool automatically snaps to the edges of your subject, which makes it very useful when the background has good contrast. Now start tracing around the object you want to cut out. Carefully follow the edges of your subject until your selection connects back to the starting point. When the selection closes, Photoshop will highlight the area with marching ants. Once the object is selected, press Ctrl-J on your keyboard. This instantly copies the selected area onto a brand new layer. If you hide the original background layer, you'll see that your subject has been cleanly cut out from the image. If you want to remove the background completely, you can simply delete or hide the original layer in the Layers panel. Now your object is isolated and ready to use in other designs, thumbnails, or compositions. And that's how you cut out images using the lasso tools in Photoshop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.